Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to ADP Workforce Now step by step clearly. Locate the login button on the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to access the login page. On the login page, look for the option that says Get Started. Click on the Get Started link to begin the subscription process. You will be redirected to a new page with several options. Choose the option labeled I'm an employer. After selecting that, scroll down to find the Workforce Now section. Click on the Learn More button under the Workforce Now section. This will take you to a detailed overview of ADP Workforce Now. On this page, look for the Start Your Free Trial or Request a Demo button. Click on it to initiate the subscription. You will be prompted to fill out a form with your business information. Provide all required information, including your name, email address, and company details. Once you complete the form, review the information for accuracy. After confirming your details are correct, click on the Submit button. Wait for a confirmation email from ADP regarding your subscription request. Follow the instructions provided in the confirmation email to set up your account. Once you have set up your account, log in using your credentials. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the platform. Follow any additional onboarding steps as outlined in your account setup instructions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.